What's up, you guys? It's December 3rd. Vlogmas day 3, man. Stay tuned. So yeah, if you're watching this video, man, you're watching Kick Rocks TV. Here I am with the Kick Rocks TV mobile, or should I call it the Silver Bullet? Because this thing, she don't look good, but she runs like a mother. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, man, I got the driver today. I had some fun with her. All I can say is I got bad news, but it's all right, man. Did a little work on the transmission today and everything like that. Got to actually drive it. Looks like I fried some clutches. Long story short, I blew a line off, put it back on, and it blew off again. It's got to go under surgery for a new converter and a new servo and stuff like that. So we'll keep it. You know what I mean? I'll keep you guys updated. But I'm not gonna lie, this is not. I was talking to Les and the kids and everything like that, but this is not like. You know what I mean? Sometimes I feel like I give it too much attention. Sometimes I kind of put it front and center on the channel too much. So yeah, I'm tired of breaking it. Long story short, so it's gonna be I'm gonna be building it, but at a lot slower rate, more responsible rate, so I could buy a house. And then other than that, we're gonna just take it slow and not beat the shit out of it so I don't break it anymore, and so it gets nicer and nicer instead of getting nicer and nicer and nicer and then have a setback. Nicer and have a setback. Take care of your build, man, every day, because the progress, it means a lot, man. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm about to go home and finish this vlog. And we're back. We at the crib. So yeah, today is December 3rd, Vlogmas day 3. Welcome to our video, for the most part, man. We're just out here hanging out at home and everything like that, finishing up a few things in the yard. Got the kids running around the yard because I'm finishing up the vlog and everything like that. But why Vlogmas, man? We're doing Vlogmas basically because it's an excuse for us. Not an excuse, it's not even an excuse, but it's just a reason for us to upload vlogs every single day, like, you know what I mean, and just learn how to grow creatively and learn how to grow and just learn how to be better on camera and everything like that, a little more confident on camera. Other than that, what did I do today? Sorry, it's a little dark. What did I do today? I didn't do I had fun. I had a little bit of fun at work. Worked on a Jeep. Worked on a couple Hondas. Not so much transmission work today, but I did a lot of work today. Total car care, pretty much. Everything but tires. Other than that, man, motivation. No matter who you are, more people love you than you think. Some don't even know that they love you. So yeah, no matter who you are, more people love you than you think. Some people don't even know that they love you. And what I mean by that is some people love you and don't realize that they love you. And they might come off as that person that just cares too much, or that person that might come off as a Karen, or that person that might just be always in your business, or just the biggest fan of you, or you know what I mean? It's so many different ways. People got weird ways of showing love, and you can't force anybody to love the way you love. And then basically on the back end of that, I put most people have a weird way of showing their love. We only love the best way that we know how. I'm gonna say it again. We only love the best way that we know how. So sometimes you might not be speaking people's love language, or people might not be speaking your love language. You can't really blame people. You just can only express what you do and what you don't like. And you gotta do that the right way too, because you can come off very mean or very rude, very unruly. A lot of things. And then other than that, I put in parentheses. Sorry. One example is stop cuddling, I'm hot, man. Like, some people don't like the cuddling. Some people get hot when they cuddle. Some people just aren't built for the way other people are. Some people grew up in affectionate households where they get cuddled, or they got cuddled by their parents and everything like that, and then they cuddled up to their parents, and you know what I mean. They just like to cuddle. Some people just don't. But on to the next thing. Sorry if I'm like speeding through this, but they're out here playing tag. We still got to get dinner figured out. As far as dinner, we're gonna have leftovers, more of that roast beef that was great last night. But as far as mood, man, I need y'all to stop for a second. As far as mood, I'm excited and I'm motivated. I know great things are happening, man. I'm not gonna speak too much on it, but great things are happening. They're already in the making. And then other than that, Harm, how do you feel today?
I feel happy, great, and out of breath.
How you feel, Cool?
Happy and good and best day ever.
How do you feel, Les? All right. Tomorrow's Thursday, man. That means I get to go look at and peek at stuff on the tool truck. And then other than that, it's almost Friday. That's the exciting part about tomorrow being Thursday. It's almost Friday, man. But yeah, man. Sorry if this video seems short. Sorry if the motivation seems all over the place. But check out my motivation in my video from yesterday. I think a lot of people can learn from that because, like, there are blessings all around you, to say the least. But if you want to see what I had said in the whole thing and the explanation, because, you know, I like to go into things and dive into these things and explain them a little deeper for, like, in layman's terms or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, man, check out my video yesterday. High energy in that video too, probably higher energy than this video. I thought it was actually funny when I watched it again. But other than that, man, if you're watching this far in, man, I'm Kick, Stevie, aka Kick. We got Leslie over here, Cortland over here, the short little Red Riding Hood, and then Harmony, the Wild Princess. But yeah, man, this is day 3 of Vlogmas, man. Just stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button so you can see all the rest of our Vlogmas days, because we're going to do 25 days straight at least. And then other than that, man, we're just going to learn what we can. Look at that beautiful moon. Can you see that? Kind of. You got big glares because of the, I don't know what it is, but yeah, you got big glares. But yeah, you guys have a great night. Just came back right quick for a little quick update. But yeah, long story short, the truck's going to get a lot of work. The truck is going to get babied. The truck is going to get a little less attention from the channel for now. I'm going to pull it to the background or back burner. Even after I fix it, I think I'm going to start driving the Mustang for a while now. But that's not really why I'm here. I just wanted to clarify that real quick while I'm in this. But the most important part is, happy birthday to my niece, Angel. I love you. I hope you're enjoying your day today. I just got off the phone with you, I know, but I just still wanted to put that in the video while I was editing it, so I figured I'd do it right here. Sorry if I'm all like glary and shiny forehead and everything like that, but yeah, I love you, Angel. But yeah, you guys, take care.